Okay, folks, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the media options here in the Rivian infotainment software. But before we get started, remember to hit that thumbs up so others can find this video a little bit easier. So we're going to tap on the music icon. And you can see right now it's on Bluetooth and my device is connected. But the first thing I'm going to do is go down into the settings here. And here in the settings, I can adjust my audio experience. We have 3D surround sound. We can turn that off, on, or put it in enhanced mode. Dynamic sound adjustment, off, low, and high. Dolby Atmos surround will be coming in a future update, but it's not here as of yet. We have our equalizer, and we can do a custom EQ, or we have several presets. We have the default, classical, voice, rock, jazz, and hip hop. You can see if I select hip hop, that's what it does. Changes it up a little bit, jazz, and so on and so forth. I'm going to leave it on jazz. Last thing we can do is adjust our fade and balance by moving this forward, backwards, left, right. We can adjust where the audio is going to be the strongest. And in either of these cases, if we do something with the EQ and we want to restore the default, or if we do something with fade and balance and we want to restore the default, we tap these arrows. And that will restore the default settings. So you can either start over or get the sound quality back. Next, we have our Bluetooth. This is going to be your mobile device where you can connect the Bluetooth and stream whatever you want there. Next, we have our digital assistant. I'm not going to say her name. We have Tidal, which this is my preferred music service just because the quality is excellent. And the family plan is very reasonably priced for the quality of audio that you get. We have TuneIn, Spotify, and then, of course, we have our regular FM radio. More services will be coming in the future, such as Apple Music, and eventually Sirius Satellite Radio will also be coming to the Rivian R1 vehicles. And lastly, Rivian is also going to be enabling Google Cast, which is going to allow you to watch video on this center screen, which is going to be huge. You'll be able to do that not only on Google devices, but you'll be able to do it on Apple devices as well. And they're also going to give us a native YouTube app, so we can watch YouTube on this beautiful center screen here. But that's it for the media controls in the Rivian R1S and Rivian R1T vehicles. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified anytime we add new content, and thank you guys so much for watching.